How to connect maps to your Toyota Corolla. Hi everyone, in this video you will learn how to connect Google Maps or Apple Maps to your Toyota Corolla using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Whether you're navigating daily commutes or planning road trips, this guide will help you integrate your smartphone's navigation with your car's infotainment system. Let's get started. Step 1. Verify compatibility. First, ensure your Toyota Corolla supports Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Most models from 2019 onwards come equipped with this feature. Check your vehicle's manual or consult Toyota's official website to confirm compatibility. Step 2. Prepare your smartphone. For iPhone users, ensure your device is running iOS 13 or later. For Android users, your phone should be running Android 6.0 or higher. Also, make sure that Google Maps or Apple Maps is installed and updated to the latest version on your device. Step 3. Connect your phone. Use a high-quality USB cable to connect your smartphone to the USB port on your Corolla's dashboard. Note that some models may only support wired connections, while others might offer wireless connectivity. Step 4. Enable CarPlay or Android Auto. Once connected, your Corolla's infotainment screen should prompt you to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions on your smartphone. Step 5. Launch navigation. After setup, you will see your phone's interface on the car's display. Tap on Google Maps or Apple Maps to launch the navigation app. You can now input your destination and start navigation directly from your car's screen. You can also use voice commands like "Hey Siri" or "OK Google" to control navigation hands-free, enhancing safety while driving. And that's it. You successfully connected your smartphone maps to your Toyota Corolla. Enjoy seamless and safe navigation on all your journeys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.